Alright guys, 2008 GMC Sierra 4.8 liter. Look at this sucker. It's clean. He's gonna boost it. He said the 4.8s handle boost better than the 5.3s. So he's getting ready for that. Factory converter, then wise into a single. Then we put a FLOWMASTER original 40 part number 43041. Link in the description. There it is right there. You have to add pipe to it to get it installed. So remember that. So I would highly recommend you take it to a shop, let them install it for you. Then 3-inch tailpipe. And also we added a 3.5-inch roll tip. He wanted the stock look, but just with stainless steel. Right there, there'll be a link in the description for it also. And that's what it looks like after. A lot nicer, a lot cleaner, smooth. There she is, right there. There's the old muffler and tip that was on it. We took them off and cleaned them up. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. GMC Sierra 4.8, FLOWMASTER 40. Everything else stock. Go ahead. Sound decibels. 101. Looks clean. I like those taillights. They're different. Have to do duals to get sound, guys. You can do single. It won't hurt nothing. Clean sound. There she is. Look. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Forgot the lift was there. GMC Sierra 4.8, FLOWMASTER 40, and tip.